Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug in the Macbook and confirm the charger is delivering power. An interrupted fix makes things worse. Once powered, make a quick backup if possible, Time Machine or an external drive, so you can restore files if needed. Next, force a shutdown and then boot with the correct key combo to access diagnostics. This lets you test hardware before deeper steps. Make sure to note your Apple ID and admin password, because you'll need them for recovery and reinstalls. Once in recovery, select Disk Utility and run First Aid on the startup volume. This can fix directory errors that cause loading stalls. If First Aid reports OK, exit and choose Reinstall Mac OS. This refreshes system files without erasing data. If problems persist, open Terminal in recovery to check Diskutil and remove bad kernel extensions or launch daemons. Only delete things you recognize. Make sure to use Internet Recovery if the local recovery is damaged, because that downloads a clean installer image. Once Mac OS finishes installing, restore your backup or manually migrate essential files. Doing this selectively reduces reintroducing the issue. After booting, reset NVRAM/PRAM and SMC to clear cached settings and hardware state. This often resolves lingering boot quirks. If the Mac still hangs, boot into safe mode to disable third-party extensions, then create a new admin user to test whether the problem is user-specific. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.